These designs I are seeing on my screen right now are all generated using AI and completely for free. These designs usually takes up to hours, sometimes days for a graphic designer to craft out this type of masterpiece. But now you can create amazing 3D mock-up designs under minutes using just AI. You don't need to have the skills of graphic design. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created all these beautiful designs that you are seeing now so that you can be able to create yours and also create for people and make some cool cash on the side. Looking at it, I feel that AI is gradually taking away the jobs of graphic designer. If you're watching this video and you're a graphic designer, what do you think? Drop your opinion in the comment section. Do you think that AI is going to take away the work of graphic designer or not? For me, it looks like they are gradually taking away the work of graphic designer. But I'm still happy that video editors are still safe. At least I'm still safe. Meanwhile, if you want to learn video editing from me or you want me to handle your videos, find the links to get in contact with me in the description box. By the way, my name is Jan Francis. If this is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so welcome to my phone, and in today's video we are going to be generating those designs that you just saw using ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it. It's free, though it has premium subscription, but with the free version we can do whatever we want to do. So we are going to head on to ChatGPT now. So now on ChatGPT, if I just say design a 3D mockup design, the design we are going to be seeing here will not be cool. Meanwhile, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using my sister's business information. Where is my notebook? So I'll be using my elder sister business information. Meanwhile, if you're in Lagos, you need female wears. She's available in Lagos. Her details will be showing on my screen now. So put call. So I'll be using her details, her business information for this design. So now we are going to head on to ChatGPT again. Now on ChatGPT, if I paste this information now and ask ChatGPT to generate a 3D mockup design will not be cool. I will not lie for you. The design will not be cool. So this is the trick. What I normally do is that I go on social media, I get a reference image. That is the image that we want to use to recreate our own design. So now for that, you're going to be using this app. It's called Pinterest. Pinterest. You can also go on Facebook, Instagram, any platform of your choice. But for me, I'm going to be using Pinterest, which is my favorite. So I'll just go on Pinterest. Alright, so now on Pinterest, on the search bar, I'll just search for 3D mockup design. 3D mockup design. Now on the search result, you're going to see a lot of options. So I'm just going to scroll and choose the one that I feel is okay. So look at these designs. All these designs are cool. So which one? I'm going to download maybe like 3 designs that we are going to be using for this tutorial. So I'll check this one out. I think let's download the. I'm even confused. I don't know what the one that we're going to choose. Uh, let's download this one first. Man, there is a lot of designs here. Which one do we copy? Okay. Let me just download any one for tutorial sake. I'll just download. Let's download this one. I'll download image. Okay. So this is one. Let's download another one. Let's check for another background. Okay, this one is cool as well. Let's download this one too. So this is the second image we downloaded. Let's check for another one. Let's check for a different background. Let's check for something else. Okay, let's check this one out too. This one, okay, this one is quite cool as well. So I'll just download this one too. Now that we have downloaded the three images, let's go back to ChatGPT. Now I'm going to add the first image. Click here to add the first image. Sorry. Click here to add the first image. I'll add the first image. Uh, let's use this one. Okay, this is the first image. So I've added the first image. Now below it, I'll paste the information. Let's say a client gave you an information to use and create a 3D mockup design for their business logo and stuff like that. Just paste the information. So I'm just going to paste my sister's information, and I'll go below and say recreate the image above using the information above. Then you go below and add your image ratio 1 by 1. Now it's going to recreate it. So let's hit on send and see what ChatGPT generated for us using my sister's details. So we hit on send. So now it's processing our image. Let's wait and see the result. Alright, so guys, our design is ready. Just check it out. This is our reference image up here. This is our reference image, and this is the generated one. You can see how easy and simple it is. This was done under minutes. Let me just click on it so that you can have a better view of it. So guys, this is the image. You can see how I created this 3D mockup design using just AI. I feel like I'm casting updates for a lot of people that are cashing out with this format, because a lot of people are doing this. So you can also use this and make some cool cash for yourself. So look at this, just look how it is. I'm just going to click here to save it to my phone. I'll click here and save it. Alright, so I've saved it to my phone. Now let's try another one. I'm going to add another image, which is the second one that we downloaded from Pinterest. So I'll add another one. Okay, this is the second one. I'll add this one. Now I'll go below it and also paste my sister's details, and also go below and say recreate, sorry, recreate the image above using the information above. Then I'll go below and say image ratio 1 by 1. Then I'll hit on send. Please, if you are getting value from this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up so that other people can actually see this video. Like, comment, share. Drop your opinion in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think that AI is going to take away the job of graphic designers? And if you want me to make videos about how to do a completed design with just AI, drop it in the comment section. So let's wait, guys. Alright, so guys, our second design is ready. Like this is wow. It's like I'll make it bold. I'll show it on my screen so that you guys can see it. Our design is ready. This is our reference image. This is our reference image, and this is the design. Man, I think I've leaked this update. I've casted this update. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Now just click on it and save it to your phone. So I'm just going to save this. Now I'm going to do the last one. The last one so that you can also see as well. I'm going to do the last design. So now I'm going to create the third one, and that is the last one I'm going to be creating. Meanwhile, if you're getting value from this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. If you have any questions or anything that you want me to talk about AI, just drop your opinion in the comment section. And also, what do you think? Is AI gradually going to take away the work of graphic designer? Drop your opinion in the comment section. So I'm going to add the third image, and this is the third image. So I'll add the third image. Now let me paste my sister's information as well, and I'll go below it and say recreate the image above using the information above. Image ratio 1:1. Then we hit on send. So now it's going to generate the image for us, and after this one we call it a day. Alright, so guys, our third image is ready. Like, this is the third image, and this is our reference image. This is our reference image, and this is the third. This is the image that ChatGPT generated for us. So you guys, you can see how easy and simple it is to create 3D mockup designs for brands and business. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. My name is Jen Francis. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.